Hello guys, today we are going to do the unboxing of Havit gaming mouse. It cost around 590 rupees on Amazon. It has 7 different LED light colors that changes while in use with 4 DPI settings from 800 to 2400. It has 6 buttons for superior productivity and efficiency. It's an awesome mouse for playing games like CSGO and first-person shooters. The design is really good. And the wire is also very good quality. That's all for this video. Let's try to plug it in the laptop and see its colors. As you can see, it's changing its colors from red to green. On every click, changes its color. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.